morning, students.
Good morning.
Very good. Okay, so what were we doing yesterday? We were dealing with the lesson trip to my grandparents' village, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And we have finished up to 104. Now we are moving to 105. Are you all on 105?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Do you see a picture on the page?
Yes, ma'am.
How does it look?
It looks colorful.
Yeah, it looks very colorful, right? Now all of you are going to take a look at the picture. Okay? And then I am going to ask a few questions on the picture. You will answer them one by one.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Now take a look at the picture.
Tree.
What tree? You see a tree in the picture? Very good. Okay. What else do you see in the picture?
House. House.
Okay. There is one house or many houses?
Many houses.
Okay. Very good. And you, what do you see?
Many children.
Oh, many children are there. You see crow. Very good. And
Many parrots.
many parrots are there. Very good. Okay. What do you see?
4 flowers.
4 flowers. What flower is that?
Lotus.
Lotus. Very good. Very good. Okay. Do you see anything else?
I see a pond.
Okay, there is a pond. Okay. What kids are doing in the pond?
Swimming. Swimming.
Oh, they are swimming. Okay. Splashing water on each other. Fine. And what are the mothers doing there? Do you see mothers there? One or two? Two mothers are there. What are they doing? They are just... Okay, they are just standing in the pond. Okay, fine. Okay. Do you see 2 boys on the tree?
Yes, ma'am.
What are the colors of shirts they are wearing? What color is that? Isn't it yellow and blue?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, now let us move to the lesson.